it kind of reminds me of wearing a sweater or putting a blanket on. If you can encapsulate that in a fragrance oil, it's this one.
It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. What do you got? 'Cause I am gold, I'm golden.
Hey friends, I have an exciting video for you today because I just got a huge haul from one of my favorite suppliers, Windy Point in Calgary, and they have been my supplier for specific things for ever since I started this business. I highly recommend them. Yeah, if you're thinking about getting soap supplies from anywhere, I recommend Windy Point because they have free shipping to most provinces after once your order gets to $125, so that's pretty sweet. And here is the box. It came in this really big box. Sometimes that happens. It's not Windy Point's fault. Probably Canada Post's fault, but yeah. They really package up orders really good. See all this stuff? See all this extra paper? Pro tip, save all of that and use it for your own packaging when you ship stuff out. Never throw out packaging supplies. Always reuse them. See how much you get? That's pretty awesome. We have a lot of SCI. I make a lot of shampoo bars and I go through this stuff like crazy. I also use SCI in a lot of our foaming stuff, so the foaming sugar scrubs. I use SCI in our face scrubs. And yeah, I mean, it's such a versatile ingredient. What it is the foaming aspect of things. So it's what makes shampoos and my sugar scrubs foam up and lather. So it's really great for that. And what's even better is that they're a more natural alternative to what commercial shampoos and scrubs use. It's derived from coconuts, so it's super gentle, a little bit more natural, and I go through the stuff like crazy. I actually ordered 20 kilos of this, so lots of that stuff in here. See, there's more bags. And I also ordered a ton, 3 kilos of BTMS 50. This is an emulsifier, and what an emulsifier is it helps combine water and oils to make a lotion or an emulsification. So I use BTMS 50 in my shampoo bars, in my conditioner bars, and my lotions. This is really great stuff. It helps the shampoo bars make your hair nice and soft and silky, and same with conditioner bars. It is a great ingredient. Love BTMS 50. What else did I get in here? I got some, let me open this up. It's hard to do with one hand. I have a lot of micas, but what I was missing from my collection was a red mica. And I was thinking for some of my Christmas bath bombs, I will want to be decorating them with a red mica because I've got pink, I've got orange, but I definitely don't have a red mica. So this is Magic Red. And I just went ahead and ordered the largest size they've got because I'm pretty sure I will get a lot of use out of this. And I used to order the really small pots, but really if you buy things in the bigger bulk, you save a little bit more money and you don't have to worry about restocking it all the time. So I got it in the 100-gram size. And I got some fragrance oils. I have here Vanilla Bean Noel. I am actually going to be using this in a blend for one of my Christmas scents. And what else did I get in here? And then I have Cashmere Cream, and this is such a magical fragrance. I make soap out of this scent, I make candles out of this scent, and I make everything in this scent. And it's hard to explain. It's like vanilla with some forest scent with some musk in there. It's really, really nice. It kind of reminds me of wearing a sweater or putting a blanket on. If you can encapsulate that in a fragrance oil, it's this one. And it behaves really, really good in soap, so recommend this one. I had to get more I had to get more cupcake frosting lip balm because I was running super low on it. And yeah, I make a lot of lip balm, so this one's really, really yummy. Kids love it. But something I also recommend that you guys could do with these lip balm flavors is mix them and make some unique flavors out there, because you could absolutely do that. And that's what I do with cupcake frosting. I blend it with other things so that it makes other things taste really yummy. This is a really good one. Highly recommend. And I think that's it. The rest of the bags in here are SCI, and I feel much better about having this restocked because it was getting quite low. So yeah. So I'm super relieved that this came today. I really need to get going on making a lot of my Christmas stuff. The time is ticking, so yeah, definitely relieved. If you guys like this kind of video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you guys want to know what I make with all of this stuff, please subscribe. I try to post videos weekly. This was short and sweet, but sometimes you'll get a short and sweet video, sometimes you'll get super long videos, and sometimes you'll get tutorials on how I make stuff. So I'm just getting you guys to get to know me, because I have been loving getting to know you guys. All 360 of you so far. You guys have been awesome. Thank you so much for subscribing and following my journey. Hope to see you guys soon. Bye.